Welcome! If you're tired of getting overwhelmed by email notifications and want to make sure you only get alerted for the most important messages, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to set your Gmail notifications to high priority only, so you can focus on what really matters. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Gmail app. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to manage. Once you're in, look at the top left corner of your screen for the menu icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu. Go ahead and tap on that. A side panel will slide out, showing you a list of options. Scroll all the way down until you see Settings. Tap on Settings to continue. Now you'll see a list of all the email accounts you've added to your Gmail app. Tap on the account you want to adjust notifications for. This will open up the settings specific to that email address. Next, look for the Notifications option. It's usually near the top of the list. Tap on Notifications, and you'll see a few different choices. Here's the important part. Select High Priority Only. This setting tells Gmail to only notify you when it detects an email that's likely important, like messages from your boss, urgent reminders, or emails you usually respond to quickly. Less important emails, like newsletters or promotions, won't trigger a notification. And that's it. You've now set your Gmail notifications to high priority only. From now on, your phone will only buzz when something truly important lands in your inbox, helping you stay focused and free from unnecessary distractions. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making your digital life easier. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.